How to change currency on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to change your currency on Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open your Trust Wallet app, now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see the setting icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, scroll down. So you can see the option for preference, right? Tap on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see the option for app language. Tap on it. So you can see multiple options over here. Choose the language according to your preference. If you want to change it to Dutch, then just simply tap on Dutch. So as you guys can see, our language has been changed. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.